Here we go. This is the final unboxing of today. So this is a Pro Bike tool. It's a torque wrench. See if I can get it open. It's a bit instructions. Ooh. Right, so in the box you get a calibration certificate, which has been calibrated to using 2, 12 and 20 Newton meter settings, and they're quite reasonable. So if you wanted to use something in between, you could just interpolate the using your own mass. So that will be 10 Newton meters will give you a difference of 0.17. So yeah, that's not too bad. 0.17. So if you wanted to go to somewhere in the middle, say 7 Newton meters, that will give you a torque of 7.065 actual. That's not too bad. Little instruction manual. There's the torque bits, torque driver, extension, 1, 2, 3 of your torque drives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Allen key from 2 mil up to 10 mil. So that'll come in handy for a lot of things. And of course, with all torque wrenches, make sure you set the spring back to 0. Unscrew it, reset it to 0 before storing, and also don't use your torque wrench for undoing. Just get an Allen key and undo your nuts and bolts, but use your torque wrench to tighten up to get the right torque. That will extend the life of your torque wrench.